Heard learned counsel for the accused applicant as well as learned AGA for the state and perused the record. Stop. This second bail application has been moved by the accused oblique applicant Vipin Kumar Paul for grant of bail in case crime number 118 upon 2020 under sections 498A 304 B IPC and section 3 upon 4 Dowry Prohibition Act, Police Station Jankipuram, District Lucknow, during trial as his first bail application has been rejected by a coordinate bench of this court. However, the Honorable Judge who had rejected the first bail application of the applicant has retired on superannuation. Stop stanza. Learned counsel for the accused applicant, while pressing the bail application, submits that the applicant has been falsely implicated in this case and he has not committed any offence as claimed by the prosecution. Stop. It is further submitted that the applicant is the husband of the deceased who had died by committing suicide a little before her first marriage anniversary. Stop. However, the applicant has never subjected the deceased to cruelty in lieu of demand of any dowry, and all the allegations which have been levelled in the first information report as well as in the statements of the prosecution witnesses with regard to the demand of dowry and committing cruelty in lieu thereof are false, concocted, and could not be believed. Stop stanza. While drawing the attention of this court towards various paragraphs of the bail application, it is submitted that the applicant had done all which was necessary to take care of the deceased and also got her admitted in auxiliary nurse and midwife course. Stop. However, she appears to have developed intimacy with some other boys, and when she was objected in this regard, she felt guilty, and it appears that on account of the same she had committed suicide. Stop. In order to fortify his submissions, learned counsel for the applicant has drawn the attention of this court towards the statements of the independent witnesses, namely Ram Naresh Gautam, Pappu Pandey, Babli Pandey, and Kamruddin, who have stated that the deceased had developed intimacy with some boys and was wandering with them, and when her conduct was objected to by the applicant, she used to quarrel. Stop. Thus, in presence of the statements of the independent witnesses, the statements of the family members of the deceased appears to be biased and untrustworthy. Stop. It is vehemently submitted that it has been admitted by the various prosecution witnesses in their statements that the applicant was a vegetable vendor, and having regard to the financial condition of both the families, the demand of rupees 5 lakhs for purchase of car appears to be absurd and could not be believed. Stop over.